How to make a simple kids' room mobile by Julie Frith. Mobiles are colorful and so fun to play with. And fun to blow at. Then watch them move. Balancing is tricky. Supplies: you'll need sticks, rubber bands, shapes, and shoestring. Use the rubber bands to hold the shapes and shoestring in place on the sticks. Make sure to wrap the rubber band around both sides of the shapes and shoestring, then add a shape to both ends. Balance as you go. Slide the centering string side by side and back and forth. Voila! Now, for the other style, I'll show you how to do it. Supplies you'll need: fuzzy pipe cleaners, silly circle shapes, and a hole puncher. Poke the fuzzy wires into the shapes and then connect each one of these and make your own mobile. Add more and more and more until you're satisfied with your mobile. Then when you're done, hang it up.